Hosted payloads make use of available power, mass, and space on commercial satellites to provide dedicated communications for everything from science missions to operational capabilities. By offering hosted payload opportunities on board our spacecraft, SES Government Solutions provides the U.S. government with consistent, dependable, and affordable access to space. SES Government Solutions hosted the first ever experimental U.S. Air Force sensor on an SES satellite operating over the United States. While a dedicated U.S. government-owned spacecraft could have met 100% of the objectives for CHIRP's mission, the SES Government Solutions commercially hosted payload met over 85% of the objectives at only 15% of the cost, saving the government tens of millions of dollars. The Federal Aviation Administration signed a long-term deal with Raytheon to provide both on-orbit transponder service and uplink ground stations. This hosted payload program, the Wide Area Augmentation System, or WAAS, is designed to satisfy the high safety standards required for precision landings in commercial and civil aviation. This is especially important when landing during impaired visibility conditions. SES Government Solutions bid and won the opportunity to host the Precision Air Traffic Control System on SES-15, as well as build 2 uplink ground stations. This hosted payload will ensure the FAA's WAAS network will continue to provide improved accuracy, integrity, and availability for GPS signals, enabling reliable, high-precision navigation for aviation users across most of North America. Since 2006, the number of aircraft carrying WAAS equipment has grown to an average of 10,000 a year. The FAA will continue to expand their WAAS network with improved signal reliability. Hosted on SES-14, NASA's Global Scale Observations of the Limb and Disk, or GOLD sensor, will provide invaluable data to further our understanding of how variations in the upper atmosphere impact drag on low Earth orbiting satellites. The sensor will also provide additional insight into ionospheric disruption of navigation and communication signals. SES Government Solutions is integrating the payload, procuring the launch of the satellite, as well as commanding and controlling the payload while on orbit and delivering the data to the University of Colorado Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics in Boulder, Colorado, for initial processing and exploitation, all under a single firm fixed-price contract. GOLD represents a new paradigm for NASA: cost-effective access to geostationary orbit. Future hosted payload missions will serve a variety of military, scientific, and commercial missions in LEO, MEO, and GEO orbit. This includes advanced weather warning systems, the study of space weather, improved navigation in remote areas, and missions that protect our national security. Hosted payload missions could achieve NASA goals at a significantly lower cost than a dedicated spacecraft. These scientific missions include the study of Earth science, heliophysics, and astrophysics. The Department of Defense recognizes the benefits of using hosted payloads and is seeking to deliver resilient space architectures capable of operating in a high-threat space environment. The U.S. Air Force has set up a Hosted Payload Program Office at the Space and Missile Systems Center and created a contract vehicle called Hosted Payload Solutions, or HOPS. This vehicle standardizes the processes and interfaces necessary to place military capabilities on commercial satellites. Building and launching dedicated government spacecraft can take 5 to 10 years. The commercial industry timelines are considerably shorter, approximately 36 months from contract to launch. The commercial industry also offers at least 10 hosted payload opportunities every year. SES Government Solutions offers end-to-end hosted payload solutions, which include launch, operation, and data delivery. Compared to government programs where costs are partitioned, SES Government Solutions includes all costs under one contract. By taking advantage of SES's worldwide data network and a growing fleet of over 60 satellites in GEO and MEO orbit, SES Government Solutions is positioned to provide resilient and affordable hosted payloads for many years to come.